I'm talking to him. Okay, wait.
Listen, man.
Are you brothers? Are you brothers? Yeah. So am I talking to him or you? Who's more learned? Who's more learned? Who's brother? You're not. You're talking past me.
Be quiet. Listen.
Let's talk so that we understand each other. Am I talking to you or him?
Speak to me.
Speak to you. So he's not going to speak.
No, I won't speak.
Okay, he's not going to interrupt. I have questions. Now that no other Qadiani is turning up, I'll speak to you. There's not. Okay. If you're not learned, then there's no debate. What you can do is ask me questions, and I can answer questions, and I can raise questions for you to contemplate, and then you can tell me what you think.
Okay, I'm learning from you, yeah.
Okay. So can I raise a question?
No, I'm learning from you.
Okay. So shall I teach you then?
No. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'll teach you.
My first question is.
Yeah, I'll teach you then. No problem.
Please explain to me your concept of Dajjal, concept of Isa ibn Maryam's second arrival, Isa's mission, because he'll break this cross and break this and kill the swine. And kill the jizya.
Beautiful questions. These are beautiful questions. And
of
we have multiple volumes written by our scholars on these very topics, debunking Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani systematically. My question to you is that why do you want to indulge in these questions and pass Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani in his character? You see, let me explain why I say that.
I'm learning from you.
Okay, let me explain.
From you. So
I'm going to teach you now. My belief about Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani.
I said Dajjal. The concept of Dajjal.
To me, that's Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani. He's one of the Dajjals.
No.
So you asked me about Dajjal. Okay, the concept of Dajjal in Islam, it goes as follows. The Prophet ﷺ, he told us there will be 30 Dajjals.
Yeah.
Okay, each and every single one of them will claim to be a prophet. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is one of them. So let me explain the concept of Dajjal. You asked me about Dajjal, right? Let me answer now. There is Dajjal, the Dajjal, who will come near the end of times. One-eyed, A'war. We have plenty of reports from the Prophet ﷺ. His profile is very clear in the hadith literature. Then there are Dajjals, Dajjaloon. Who are Dajjaloon? Many Dajjals or many liars. Okay, those are those 30 false prophets, imposters who will come after Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as he declared in a Sahih hadith that 30 people after me will come and claim prophethood. They are Dajjals, they are liars. Now, amazingly, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani in the 19th century.
No, I'm not asking about.
Brother, wait. Let me.
What is Dajjal?
Okay.
What is the hadith? Be consistent with the hadith.
What is Dajjal? Is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is one of the Dajjals. I'm saying. I'm claiming.
I'm not asking who
I'm claiming he's one of the Dajjals.
I mean,
by the way, this is not an insult. This is not to hurt.
I can say you're Dajjal.
Okay. No, are you claiming I'm Dajjal? Okay, good. Look. Good. You want to claim that? You want to claim that I'm Dajjal? No. Look. Listen. Now that you're claiming that. Okay, brother. Now that you're claiming I'm Dajjal, now you just wait. You said I can say you're Dajjal about me, yes?
That's the way you
okay. Now I will ask you, brother, if I'm Dajjal, a'udhu billah, thumma a'udhu billah, then you need to prove to me that I'm Dajjal so that I can make tawbah. So I can make tawbah. Ya Allah, forgive me. I don't want to be Dajjal. I don't want to die and go to Jahannam. Okay. So, but I'm claiming Mirza is Dajjal. So you should ask me, brother, that's a very serious claim about a man who has millions of followers, right? So why would you claim, brother? No, don't do this. Don't do this. This wastes time. No, don't ignore. Be extra gentle. With these people, they will look for this. They look for this, by the way. So don't do this. You should know this. They like commotions so that they can run away from these discussions.
I'm not asking you who Dajjal is. Who is Dajjal? Don't point fingers. Listen.
No. Okay, guys. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, I'm claiming was Dajjal of the highest grade.
The hadith. You bring the hadith out.
Okay, I will bring the hadith out.
Bring the hadith.
Okay. I will bring the hadith for Qadianis.
No, for
no. Is Mirza a prophet?
Yes.
Yes, he's a prophet. And everything he said is hadith to you, yes? Yes or no?
Yes, it's true. Yes, yes.
Yeah, so everything Mirza said is a hadith to them.
No, I'm not.
Can hadith be a lie? No. Can hadith be a lie? No. Or can a prophet be a liar? No. Okay. No. Wait, brother, 1 second. You okay? To you, Mirza is your prophet, right? You asked me for the hadith about Dajjal. You asked me about a hadith about Dajjal, and I'm going to present it. Okay. How about Mirza? His words.
You don't accept him.
You don't want.
You don't accept him. You don't accept him. So why are you using him? Why are you using Hazm Islam as the criteria?
Why? Just like the Christians, run from the Bible. Just like the Christians run from the Bible, they're running from the Prophet. Okay. 1 second.
Why are you using Hazm Islam as the criterion?
Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadyaani is a prophet to them. He's a prophet to them. And they said, present a hadith about Dajjal. So I'm presenting a hadith about Dajjal from Mirza. And the hadith from Mirza, hadith, when I say hadith for them, because he's their prophet. For us, this is okay. So what, brother, 1 second, let me finish and you can respond. I'll stop, I'll read it, I'll stop and you can respond. Okay. So Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadyaani, who is a prophet to them, in one of his hadith, one of his reports or one of his sayings, which he himself wrote, and there's no doubt that he wrote this because they're the ones publishing it and giving it to us. So in his book, Rohani Khazain, his hadith, Mirza's hadith. These are Mirza's words. That's the hadith. Mirza's. Brother, is Mirza a Nabi or not? Is Mirza Qadyaani? Yeah, he's a prophet to you. Okay, his words are hadith to you or not?
In a way, yes. In a way.
His companions are sahabis to you or not?
Yes. In a way.
So you have the same terminology. That's fine.
Yes,
so they have.
Same,
Yes. Okay. So this is the hadith of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadyaani. And as I said, a hadith can never be a lie. And a prophet cannot be a liar. Yes? Yes. Everyone agrees?
No.
Yeah, I can't hear you. Everyone agrees? They don't agree.
But who wrote this book?
What?
Who wrote this book?
I'll show you.
No, who wrote this book?
I'll show you.
Then how could it be hadith?
Okay. If
Hazm Islam wrote it himself, then it can't be a hadith.
Why not? Is he not a prophet?
No,
is he a prophet? As his words hadith.
But did Muhammad write any hadith?
Brother.
Did Muhammad write any hadith?
Do you not understand what I'm saying? Is Mirza a Nabi?
Yes, but if this book is written by him.
Okay, let's go step by step. Politely. Step by step.
Yeah,
Is a prophet. His words, whatever he wrote to you, is it a hadith or not?
Well, this is a hadith. If he writes,
brother, he's a prophet to you. Whatever he wrote, and you can authentically trace it from him, as you have done. Okay.
So what does hadith mean?
Does it his teachings, his writings, do they have the level of hadith to you or not?
No, what does hadith mean?
Hadith means word of the prophets.
The word of the prophets.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean he wrote himself, yeah?
Brother, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadyaani.
Okay, go.
Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to read Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadyaani's hadith. So now we will have to agree on a principle before we move on. You look like a decent gentleman. Okay? So I want to be very, gentle with you. Just move step by step. Can a prophet lie?
No.
Can a prophet lie? No. Can hadith be a lie?
No.
Can the words of a prophet be lie? Can the words of a prophet be lie? No. Okay. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadyaani wrote, and the quote is Rohani Khazain, volume 6, page 337. He wrote that there is a hadith in Bukhari which talks about, I'm going to read his words in Urdu and translate. Mathalan, Sahih Bukhari ki wo hadithen jinme aakhiri zamane mein baaz khalifon ki nisbat khabar di gayi hai. For example, in Sahih al-Bukhari there are reports whereby news of khulafa or caliphs near the end of times have been given. खास कर वो खलीफा जिसकी निस्बत बुखारी में लिखा है कि आसमान से इसकी निस्बत आवाज़ आएगी. In particular, that Khalifa about whom Bukhari has written, or in Sahih al-Bukhari it is written, that from the heavens a voice will come for this Khalifa. What will be the voice? Hada Khalifatullah al-Mahdi. This Khalifa of Allah is Mahdi. Ab socho, brother, you said you will not speak. Let me, no, wait, brother, stop. Why is it pinching you? Why is it pinching you? Stop, let me finish the quote. I'll let you speak. Let me finish the quote. Okay, ab socho, these are the words of Mirza. And they don't like the hadith. They don't like the hadith of the Prophet. They don't like the hadith of the Prophet.
Who is your scholar?
Brother, let me finish.
No, you're going against
अब सोचो ये hadith किस पाया और मर्तबा की है. So he's saying, now think about this hadith, how authentic and how high the status of this particular hadith is, which is in where? Sahih al-Bukhari. And then he tells us what is Sahih al-Bukhari. Why? जो ऐसी किताब में दर्ज है जो असल कुतुब बादा किताबिल्लाह है. Because this hadith is found in the most authentic book after the book of Allah. Okay. So Mirza is now saying that there are reports in Bukhari about Khulafa coming near the end of times. And there is one particular report. There is one particular report in Sahih al-Bukhari. There's one particular report in Sahih al-Bukhari. He's not going to let me speak. There is one particular report in Sahih al-Bukhari which has this wording, Haza Khalifatullah al-Mahdi. Now, I'm talking to you. You need to shut him up. Because are you older than him? Are you older than him? Are you older than him? Brother, please.
We are one under one.
So you're a decent guy. You're a decent guy.
What's the point?
The point is, can you show me these words in Sahih al-Bukhari as Mirza claimed? Say these words.
I can't read this.
Okay, okay. No.
Make it up. It's right in front of you.
So what does it say? Can you repeat what it says?
How do you know? It's in front of you.
Brother, I was speaking for the last 5 minutes. You're not listening, are you?
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, this is the original scan from his book.
Okay, no, leave this for now, yeah? Can we leave this?
This is the original reference.
Let me
The
ask
actual scan from the book published by the Qadyanis.
Let me
Okay,
ask a question.
here. Okay, so he's saying there is a hadith in Bukhari, Sahih al-Bukhari,
Okay.
and these words are there in Sahih al-Bukhari. Okay, now I want you to find those words. Hada Khalifatullah al-Mahdi. These words, he's attributing them not even in Urdu, in Arabic. He actually gives the words in Arabic that these words are in Sahih al-Bukhari. Now you're going to have to show me those words in Sahih al-Bukhari in any of the nuskha, any manuscript, any print in the entire collection or collections of the Muslim world. Okay, if it's not there, brother, if it's not there.
Give a lecture now.
Okay, no. I'll let you speak. Did you get my question?
I understand what you're
That's why I believe it's Dajjal. So you asked me about a hadith about Dajjal, and I gave you hadith where I showed you why Mirza is Dajjal. He lied. There is no hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari with this wording, Hada Khalifatullah al-Mahdi. It doesn't exist. It's not found in any of the nusakh of Sahih al-Bukhari. Brother, if that's true, what I'm saying, you should be concerned, you should be shivering. Really? If you were sincere, you would think, really? Is that true?
But listen, that's not my question.
But I don't see that from most Qadyanis.
But that's not my question I asked you.
Yeah.
I said I'm here to learn from you.
Okay, I just posed the question.
And you went on to rant about this. Listen,
Okay.
something.
So now I'm asking a question.
I'm
Can you if this hadith is not in Bukhari, if these words are not in Bukhari, what does that make?
I'm not too sure about the context about this.
Yeah.
But I've never read it
Context.
before.
Okay. Good. Too good. At least you're interested. Okay. Here's the context. Context is this page. Okay. The original page.
Yeah,
okay.
give it to me.
This is no, brother. Take a picture of it. I'm giving you the reference. And if this is true,
Take a picture.
and if this is true, the reference is Rohani Khazain, volume 6, page 337, Matbu'a, London. The Rohani Khazain you have published in London.
I'll find
Brother,
the context.
okay. What is my question?
Let me take a picture.
The original, yeah. That's the original. Take the picture of the original in case your teachers turn around and say that doesn't exist. Okay? So now, my brothers, okay.
Listen, I'm here to
so
learn
yeah, good. I've raised a question now.
Please explain to me the concept of Dajjal. What, according to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, first of all, go on, explain the concept of Dajjal and his donkey. Please explain to me the concept of Dajjal and donkey.
Okay, I said, there is no, I advise all Muslims in the world, do not indulge with Qadyanis on any other topic except Mirza himself. Because the whole house of cards built by them is for Mirza. If Mirza does not stand the test of scrutiny as a truthful man, as a moral man, then there is no discussion. All Muslims of the world never indulge with the Qadyanis on any topic other than Mirza and his character. If Mirza is a truthful man, if Mirza was not a liar and not a vulgar man, then we have other conversations. If Mirza is not those things,
I asked you a question. You keep running away. You said
I'm not going to have any other discussion with you. Mirza, your prophet. Mirza, I'm saying he's a Dajjal.
You need to understand the concepts which are before you get onto Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad's claim. Okay, so
Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, why did you call him that?
Okay, whatever you want to call it.
Brother, I just gave you something. You ignored it. Are you completely blocked and sealed?
Are you here to answer my question?
No, okay. Brother, if I told you, if this was said to me about my prophet, that your prophet lied, and I'm so confident. I'm so confident. I would come to the Christians. Show me, and let's discuss it. These guys. I put the whole story to them. Oh, let's go to the Dajjal. They don't care. They're blocked. They're completely sealed. So can you talk to me about it? If those words are not in Bukhari and your prophet claimed that those words are in Bukhari. No. I'm saying if that's the case, what then? Are you gonna come to Ahl Sunnah? You're gonna become a Muslim or not?
I need to read the context.
If what I'm saying is true, if what I'm saying is true,
would you leave Sunnism then?
100%. What are you saying? That Mirza is a prophet? If you prove that to me, 100%. If you prove that, you're saying Mirza is a prophet. If you prove that to me, I will accept. But if I show you otherwise,
is Isa a prophet?
Brother, what I said to you, if it's true, will you leave Ahmadi? Will you leave Ahmadi religion? Will you leave Ahmadi religion? Yes or no?
But listen to this.
He's not listening.
Is Isa a prophet?
He's not listening. Brother, I'm asking if what I said is true about Mirza, that he lied. He lied from his backside. He lied. He made something up. And if that's true, will you leave Ahmadi religion?
That's what I'm saying. I'll go research it.
Brother, research. But if what I'm saying is true, will you leave Ahmadi religion?
Listen what I'm saying.
Brother, I'm not going to leave you guys alone. I'm not moving on. If what I'm saying is true, will you leave the Ahmadi religion? If what I'm saying is true about Mirza, if this was happening to me, I would not come out of my house, at least for a month. If this was happening to me, and I'm not here humiliating these guys. I'm not doing that. I want Ahmadis, the Qadyanis, the masses, the people to see this. To see this is how these people are. Okay.
Listen. I came to learn
brother,
from you, yeah?
If what I'm saying is true,
I'm coming to learn from you.
Brother,
Forget
if
this.
what,
I'm coming to learn from you.
I'm teaching you.
You don't teach
If
nothing.
I taught you something about your
I've
prophet,
asked you
that he
questions,
lied, and if what I'm saying is true, if there's a big if, I must have guts to claim something that has the potential of not being true. But I'm so confident. I'm so confident that I'm poking you on this for a reason. If what I'm saying is true, will you leave Ahmadi religion? Why is he not saying yes?
Allah says,
why is he not saying yes?
And the kafir will be Jahannam. Allah, Muhammad I swear by Allah.
No, he can't prove nothing. He doesn't know. He's saying he's going to do research. I'm saying, if what I said, Qadyanis, Ahmadis, I'm gonna speak to you.
I'm not listening.
I don't think you're listening.
I am a liar.
No, I asked him.
Would he leave Ahlul Sunnah? He said yes.
No, I asked him.
He's asking the same question.
I asked him to teach me the concept of Dajjal.
No,
right?
But I'm saying
He's blocked.
You said if
He's blocked. You can't hear me.
I asked him.
Would he leave Ahlul Sunnah? He said yes.
And I gave you an example. I'll give you an example of a Dajjal. And you're not listening. You're rejecting my example. You're saying no. You're jumping over there. Okay. No problem. No. Don't worry about it. I understand. I fully understand their situation. They will not. They are completely blocked.
start from?
Sorry?
Where did the Qadiani movement start?
The religion. Long-
Where did he come
it came from British India.
Irish guy.
It came from British India. British India. I mean, they had something to do with it. Okay. So we're going to ignore that. This is usual for Speaker's Corner. Fights kicking off. We're not here for fights. So as you saw, any Qadiani missionary or semi-missionary or semi-missionary, they will never answer straight questions because they know once they get trapped. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani was an outright liar. Outright liar, a brave liar, a shameless liar. Okay, I have no doubt that he was a Dajjal, he was a liar. Okay, now if you think I'm wrong, answer my question. Are these words in Sahih al-Bukhari? Hada Khalifatullah al-Mahdi, Ruhani Khazain, volume 6, page 337. Mirza claimed these words are in Sahih al-Bukhari. They are not to be found. We go to Christians. There are verses in the Gospel of Matthew and they claim that these are prophecies. We go to the Old Testament, we don't find them. We don't find them. So we ask the Christians, where are these prophecies? Where are these prophecies? They have no answers. So we do the same thing to them. It's like Rasulullah, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam claiming something about someone and we don't find any example of it. How does that make sense? Right? So these people, they are completely lost. May Allah guide them. I'm talking to the Qadiani audience out there. My brothers and sisters, Qadiani, Ahmadi brothers and sisters in humanity. Don't listen to your murabbis, your missionaries. Some of them are evil liars. Evil liars. Some of them, I'm not saying all of them, some of them may be genuinely misguided. But you, the masses, the people sitting in the masjid, right, sincerely praying to Allah, okay, we are reaching out to you with love and compassion. Don't follow a liar. Don't waste your lives. Don't go to Jahannam willingly. Don't dive into Jahannam while you know. Don't take this lightly. These lies, these claims are not to be taken lightly. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani was a foul man. He used foul language. He was such a hypocrite that he himself was condemning actions and then did them himself. I gave an example earlier from his own writings. Okay, can I pass this on to you very quickly? Put this mic on. I've run out of mic space. Okay, right? So there is this thing I want to put out to all Qadianis, all Ahmadis. I want you to go and check this out. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, in one of his books, which is titled Chashma-e Masihi, the stream of Messiah, the stream or the river of the Messiah, Chashma-e Masihi. In that book, page 346, here, the actual original scan from the book. I'm not making this up. And the point, the arrow is pointing to the actual quote. It's here, right? Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani talks about Isa alayhi salam, Jesus. Now, why am I telling you this now? So that you know how inconsistent and how much of a madman this person was. Okay? He says about Jesus Christ, and I will read in Urdu. I thank Allah that I know Urdu. Maybe Allah taught me Urdu for this. Okay? He says in Urdu, in his book Chashma-e Masihi, page 346, he states about Jesus, Magar khud is qadar badzubani mein badh gaye. Jesus became so foul in his language. Jesus became so foul in his language कि यहूदी बुजुर्गों को वल्दुल हराम तक कह दिया. That he called the Jewish elders Waldul Haram or Waladul Haram. In Urdu we read it Waldul Haram. In Arabic Waladul Haram. Okay? So he wrote Yahudi buzurgon ko Waldul Haram tak keh diya. Then he goes on to say, और हर एक वाज में यहूदी उलमा को सख्त सख्त गालियां दी और बुरे बुरे उनके नाम रखे. That Jesus in his speeches he swore at the Jewish people, swearing, gali means in Urdu swearing word, swear words. He was swearing at the Jewish elders and he gave them bad names. Now, what does he say about this behavior? Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, who basically assumes himself to be better than Jesus and gives his advice on this behavior. He goes, Akhlaqi muallim or muallim, اخلاقی معلم کا فرض یہ ہے کہ پہلے آپ اخلاق کریمہ دکھا دیں. So a moral teacher, it is befitting of him to demonstrate good morals himself. So what is he doing? He is criticizing the alleged behavior of Jesus Christ. That Jesus called Jewish elders Waldul Haram or Waladul Haram. This is bad language because he calls it Bad Zubani. In other words, bad language, foul language. This is not good behavior. It is not befitting of a good teacher to do this, because a good teacher has to be an embodiment, has to be an example of good behavior himself. Are you all with me? Yes? Right. So now, what does Mirza do himself? Mirza Sahab, this false prophet, having said this, having talked about this in his own book, here I have the original scan with me, Ruhani Khazain, volume 9, page 31, he states, and I will read in Urdu, what were the words he condemned from Jesus? What were the words he condemned from Jesus? Please say it. What were the words? The words he was condemning. Are you with me? Sorry? Waldul Haram. Can you repeat after? What words was he condemning? What words? It's a swear word, but you can say it because we're making a point. Waldul Haram or Waladul Haram. Yes? Is that clear? He writes about his opponents. Now he was condemning Jesus for using these words against the Jewish elders who were opponents of Jesus Christ. Yes? Allegedly. He uses the same words against his opponents. और हमारी फतेह का कायल नहीं होगा तो साफ समझा जाएगा कि इसको वल्दुल हराम बनने का शौक है और हलाल ज़्यादा नहीं. So anyone who is not convinced of my victory against the Christians in a debate, anyone who is not convinced of my victory against Christians in a debate, such a person has a desire to be Waldul Haram, and he is not a legitimate child. He is not a legitimate child. Then on page 32 of the same book, same volume, he calls them Haram Zadeh. Haram Zadeh literally in Urdu or Persian it means a bastard child. So having condemned this behavior in the case of Jesus Christ or the alleged case of Jesus Christ, okay, the Qadyanis can come back and say, no, he was talking about the Christian literature, that the Christian literature has this about Jesus Christ and he's criticizing it. Okay, but he's also criticizing the behavior if that's the case, right? But then he indulges himself in the same behavior. Even worse, he uses very creative words in 3 different languages. In Persian, in Urdu, in Arabic. In Arabic he uses the term Durriyatul Baghaya. In Persian is Haram Zada. Okay? And Urdu is the same, Haram Zada. This means a bastard child. Now, Mirza, the problem is, this Mirza, this guy, he claimed to be speaking from Ilham. Ilham means inspiration or a type of revelation. He even claimed to have revelation as well, by the way. Wahi. But he said, I spoke from Ilham. Every time I spoke, it was Ilham. So in one Ilham, he's condemning the behavior, and in another Ilham, Allah is inspiring him to use the same language, same bad behavior, which he condemned earlier. Is this a true prophet? This is a Dajjal. This is a liar who does not practice what he preaches. And the Quran says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, lima taquluna ma la tafa'alun. Oh, you believe. Why do you not practice what you preach? And he's preaching that this is foul language, this is bad language, it is not befitting of a good teacher to use such language and be an example of good behavior. And then he calls his opponents Haram Zadeh, okay, Zurriyatul Baghaya, bastard children, all sorts of things. So my brothers and sisters, the Ahmadis did not turn up today. Some of their boys, their kids turned up who don't know what they're doing. Okay, the Ahmadi missionaries who are well aware of my presence, I made a public announcement on my Instagram, on my Twitter, on my YouTube community post, and in my YouTube videos and my live appeals, or not live appeals, live streams, okay, that I will be in Speaker's Corner this Sunday with your books, the original scans. And if you are men enough come and face me. And they are one of the biggest centers here in London. They have no excuse. They will not come because they know what I have come with. They know there is no defense. And my Ahmadi and Qadyaani brothers in humanity and sisters, may Allah guide you. We have nothing but sympathy, and we pray for you that all of this exercise, it helped you understand certain things. And I'm done with Qadyaani case. I'll move on. I have other things to do. Anyone who's sincere, having heard all of this, you still believe in Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is your prophet, then only Allah can guide, and Allah knows who deserve guidance. Okay? As I would like to guide you and convey this message to you, but Allah also says in the Quran, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, innaka la tahdi man ahbabta, walakinna Allah yahdi man yasha, wa huwa a'lamu bil muhtadin, that you cannot guide those you love. Rather, it is Allah who guides people, and He is best aware of those who deserve guidance or who are guided. So may Allah make you the guided ones, and follow these quotes, this literature I have given you, and please look into it. Don't take this lightly. If Mirza has shown to be a liar once, then he's a liar. He's a liar, okay? Because a liar cannot be a prophet. On that note, wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.